All right, so special thanks to this company who was nice enough to send us their meat grinder to unbox and show you exactly what comes inside of here. This is the model MG412. You can kind of see what it looks like on the front. Nothing on the top except the electric meat grinder sticker and the fact that it's stainless steel and green. Nothing on the bottom, just meat grinder in the model color on this side, and that's all that's on the other side. So let's open this up, see how it works. All right, what do we got here? A little warranty card. Got a nice instruction manual telling you what every single piece is. Love that. As well as how to all put it together. Instructions for assembling, disassembling, etc. is going to be in this book. And then here is our meat grinder. Let's see if we can get this out. Well, we got the plastic out. That's a step. There we go. All right, that's it for in the box. Look at this. We got a few things here under some tape. Get these first. Got this little piece here. We got that little piece there. All nice metal. I mean, that's nice. And then even that like goes all the way through. So let me get this off. Wow, that is beautiful. Like, that looks way better than I expected being a meat grinder. So here's our little pushing tool and the little tray. All very nice stainless steel. Like, this is nice. And we've got the actual meat grinder here with the power cable attached. So you could put it all together. Okay, got a power button. Ooh, I like that click. Rev button. We got this piece as well. Very nice. And then that's it for this. Then this is well, the important part. As you see, never put parts in the dishwasher or use hot water for cleaning. Okay, so this is the actual meat grinder. It has a full diagram here of how all of this comes apart so that you can clean it and everything like that. If you want, you know, to swap out this with this, you can. But that is everything that would come inside of this. Again, special thanks to this company who was nice enough to send it to me so I could unbox and show you exactly everything that comes inside of here. Of course, this manual has all the other details that you will need to know, but this does feel like an amazing, very nice quality meat grinder. And also, I love just the stainless steel with the color. Very nice. 2 thumbs up. Thank you all for watching. That will do it for this unboxing. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.